May 14, 2024, pumunta kami ng kapatid ko sa Thailand. And dito kami sa Busan Airport. We are now about to board and we were just waiting for our plane. And nandito na kami. We are boarding the plane and we are now seated. The plane took off from Busan Airport and after 5 hours, we landed in Thailand. We are now in Suvarnabhumi Airport and after the immigration check, lumabas na kami para hanapin ang aming taxi na magdadala sa amin sa hotel. First morning namin, sumakay kami ng tuk-tuk at nag-ikot-ikot sa paligid at doon na kami naghanap ng breakfast. Di kami kumain sa hotel. After ng breakfast, inikot namin yung paligid, nagmasid-masid sa mga gandang tanawin habang pabalik sa aming hotel. Yan, makikita ninyo, di ba? Mga parang palaces. Actually, mga temple sila. Ang daming temple sa paligid. We are back now in our hotel. Ito yung first floor. So, we stayed at the Royal Ratanakosin Hotel. Nag-freshen up lang kami ng konti and then we started for our destination which is the Royal Grand Palace. So, hindi pa nag-open kaya lumakad-lakad lang kami papunta doon. Ito yung daan papunta doon sa Grand Palace. Ang ganda, di ba? Ang daming mga bulaklak, may mga squirrels, may mga birds di kami nakikita. In fairness, it was so beautiful.
Cute sa fish. Ano ang klaseng fish niyo?
Mga dove! Wow! Ari squirrel, oh! Ari squirrel, oh! Oh, hala! 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 Wow!
And we passed by the Supreme Court. And so, di na pinalampas. Kumuha kami ng napakadaming pictures for souvenirs. Kasi siguradong di na mauulit ito. And beside the Supreme Court House, madami pang mga government offices. So, hindi ko na ma-mention yung mga pangalan isa-isa. Ang mga government offices nila, may mga, they are adorned with curtains sa labas and may mga pictures ng mga government people. And nandito na kami sa Grand Palace. Ang daming mga tao. So, pumila din kami for the entrance ticket. The Grand Palace is a complex of buildings at the heart of Bangkok. Ang former na pangalan ng Bangkok is Ratanakosin. So, the palace has been the official residence of the King of Siam. And later, Siam was changed into Thailand. Napakaganda ng mga buildings nila, di ba? Napaka-intricate na mga designs. Ayan, kung makikita ninyo. Uy. Kung makikita niyo, ayan, the roofs, the pillars, everything. Napaka-grand tingnan. Parang napaka-majestic talaga, no? Tingnan ninyo. This is really a palace fit for the king. I am so thankful and glad na I've come out from my comfort zone to visit Thailand and see the beautiful places.
May mga pares na doon.
Ha?
May mga pares doon.
This is the changing of guards. So interesting to see. Napakalaki ng Grand Palace Complex. At ito, ang daming mga buildings. Hindi ko na alam kung ano ito, but hindi na namin ito pinasok. Sa sobrang dami at sa sobrang daming tanawin, parang hindi mo alam kung ano ang uunahin mo. Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka susunod? Kasi sobrang daming tanawin na mga magaganda. I love this place. Ito ay Queen Sirikit Museum Textile. Kaya lang, bawal mag-picture or mag-video doon sa loob. Mga dresses ni Queen Sirikit. Buko time! Napakasarap na buko. Very masarap na buko in Thailand. Hello ka na, meat! I was amazed how they can scrape the whole buko from the nut. Bumili naman kami ng fruits and na-surprise naman ako sa mini pineapple. Thailand mango. Thailand has a lot of vegetarian food and I love it. In the afternoon, we went to see the con performance at Stella Chalermkrong Royal Theatre. This is featuring Thailand's high art form of classical dance. Unfortunately, pictures and videos are not allowed while the performance is going on. So pagkatapos ng performance, ikot-ikot na lang namin yung place at nag-picture taking. We watched the performance for free because this is inclusive the fee when you visit the Grand Palace. And from the theater, we went to visit Wat Po. And after paying the entrance fee, we went inside. Wat Po is a Buddhist temple complex. Napakalaki din ang place. All around the same. And ito yung famous na makikita dito sa Wat Po. Napakalaking reclining Buddha. From Wat Po, naghanap naman kami ng pagkain at ito, a mango with malagkit rice na may gata. And this is just the first part of our journey. We still have more. Thank you for watching.